Have you ever heard a sound from the deep ocean that no one can explain? This one has stumped scientists for decades. Back in 1997, a mysterious noise was recorded in the depths of the Pacific Ocean. It was so loud, it could be heard over 3,000 miles away, known as the bloop. This sound had scientists speculating, was it a massive creature lurking in the ocean's depths? Or perhaps shifting icebergs? The crazy thing is, it didn't match any known creature's sound patterns. Some even believed it was the sound of an unknown sea monster. To this day, no one knows for sure what made that sound. But one thing's for certain, the ocean hides more mysteries than we can imagine. What's your theory? Leave a comment below.